So guys, you want to get into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Once it turns on again, you want to quickly turn it off and then turn it on again. You want to repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. So just keep on turning off your computer and then turning it back on again quickly, and then it will take you to here if you repeat it 3 times. If it does let you log into Windows and you want to enter into that screen, then you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on restart now and then click on restart now again, which will then take you into that screen. So now once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Now we have a few things that we can try here. So for the first method, you want to click on system restore. If you do not see system restore, then you want to click on see more recovery options and then system restore should appear. You want to click on system restore. And then if you have a restore point, you want to click on next, and then you want to follow all the steps and then go back to your restore point. That should then fix the problem for you. If you do not have a restore point, that's fine. We have a few more things we can try. So you want to click on cancel. And now for the second method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then you want to click on startup repair. It's going to diagnose your PC, see if this fixes your problem. If that still didn't work for the third method, you want to click on advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options again, and then command prompt. Now once you're in here, you want to type in chkdsk space c:/f, click on enter, and then you want to run this. This might take a while. And now once that's been done, you want to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this as well. Now once that's been done, you want to close this out, and then you want to click on continue, which will then take you to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed. If that did not work for you, you want to click on troubleshoot, reset this PC, and then you want to just reset your computer. You can either keep your files or remove everything, it's up to you. But once you do that step that I just showed you right now, if you click on continue, the problem should be fixed.